Yo, I'm over here trying to get you to get girls, how to get her to date you, but you're doing all the wrong things around girls. You should never do some of the things around women. For example, you should never second guess, right? If you see a girl, you like a girl, right? You saw her, you guys make eye contact, all right? You let it slide, you guys make eye contact again. Now you're second guessing. She's seeing this, bro. That second guessing, it makes you look indecisive, like you lack leadership, like you lack courage. The best thing you can do. On the first eye contact, you saw her smile back at you, boom. You don't even second guess. That's why I have this trick, right? Let's say you guys make eye contact. You know she smiled at you, know there's some sort of interest. 3-second rule. 1, 2, 3. You don't even think about it, right? You're not thinking, man, is she gonna say no? Does she have a boyfriend? Is she gonna slap me? Is she gonna insult me? Is she gonna say, you're not thinking anything. You just literally start thinking, you just start counting 1, 2, 3, and just start moving. That decisiveness, that courage, that confidence, when she sees that, unstoppable. Number 2, never look away. Bro, is she mating you? Are you the prey? She's the predator? Snap the hell out of it. If you're the type of dude that she's looking at you and you're like, you're the one giggling and playing with, she's the predator, you're the prey in this situation. You've completely switched the dynamic and now you're losing. Do you really think she's thinking, man, what a masculine, sexy dude? You think that's what's going through her? No, bro. You never look away. You make her look away, right? You make her look down, giggle, play with her hair. That's your goal. That's why I always told you when you get into an interaction, you lock eyes. You don't disconnect. This is why if you feel uncomfortable, glasses are so powerful. When a man wears glasses, it's like you're putting on your Superman cape, right? You look more stylish, you look more attractive, and more importantly, you look more mysterious. Now you're hiding your eyes behind frames, which makes you feel more comfortable and allows you to connect with her, but she can't connect with you. It's adding that mystery where she's like, yo, this guy's ultra dominant, ultra attractive, ultra confident, and I can't see his eyes. That's attractive. Yo, you need a solid pair of frames. I'm telling you, it's gonna level up your game. And if you want the best in the game, check out Jade Black. Our brand, Jade Black, right now, our frames, best in the game. I already told you. We use Italian handmade acetate, the best you'll find in the world. Our acetate is what you'll find in $500 frames, except our frames are under 70 bucks, bro. Our frames are crazy affordable. They're polarized. The designs are ultra sexy. And here's the best part. I hook it up. If you don't have a solid pair of frames, this is your offer. If you guys click the link down below today, you can get 4 pairs. Out of the 4 pairs, I'm gonna gift you 2 pairs. So you're basically only paying for 2 pairs of glasses, but you're gonna get 4 total designs. That way you can have a new pair of frames for any style, any day, whenever you want to look good 24/7. If you guys wanna check out that deal, this deal expires in the next 24 hours. It'll be linked down below. Number 3, talk about an ex in a negative way. First of all, you should just never talk about an ex. Even if she explicitly asks, try to switch conversations. But when you do talk about an ex, make it positive, make it neutral. If you hear a guy that constantly complains about all his exes, all she's thinking, red flag, he's the problem. Which takes me to number 4. Don't complain. Women aren't built to be your personal psychiatrist. She doesn't want to hear about how life isn't fair, about how you didn't get that raise, about how you can't pay your bill. They don't want to hear about your problems. They want a man that's a problem solver. They want a man that has a positive outlook, that has vision, and that he himself constantly can solve his own problems. That's what they find attractive. Number 5. The where's my hug, right? And it doesn't have to be like, where's my hug? Like, yo, any sort of sexual question gives off where's my hug energy, right? Like, end of night, you're like, can I get a kiss? Killed it. You crushed it. You killed it. She'll give you a peck in the cheek, if anything, if she's super nice. You have to feel these things out. A hug, a kiss in the mouth, a kiss in the cheek, a kiss on the forehead, kiss on the... Whatever it is, grabbing her hand, grabbing her... This is stuff you feel out through the night. And I've showed you multiple videos on how to do this, but you want to progress it slowly. The more you close the gap between her, is she pulling away? Is she flinching? Is she closing the gap herself? These are positive signs to the point that you don't have to ask anymore, right? You start slowly. You do a tap on her shoulder. Does she flinch? If she doesn't, and instead she starts touching you back, that's your positive affirmation. You can escalate. You escalate slowly. If you notice that she never pulls back at all, you can keep it moving, bro. You can get your hug. You can get your kiss. And I guarantee you, it'll be attractive and she'll love it. Number 6, never let her lead. Don't let her lead the conversation. Don't shoot. It could be in anything. Don't let her pay. Don't let her drive, right? On the first date, you're gonna be like, yo, pick me up. You already crushed it. You don't even have a car, bro. You can't pick her up. Even in a crowd, don't let her lead in a crowd. You lead in a crowd. On a sidewalk. These are all these little micro, you might think it's irrelevant, but she's thinking, yo, Why is he not my protector? Why is he not leading? Especially on your first, second, or third date, which these are your crucial dates to set the tone of who you are as a man. Don't let her lead. And finally, number 7, don't talk about stocks, crypto, NFTs, and how you're gonna become a millionaire off of this. Unless your future is something stable and attainable, right? I'm building X company, I'm getting X degree, my dream is to work at X firm. Don't talk about it. Do you know how many guys talk about how they just need to save, man, I just need to make the next $10,000 working my current job. I'm gonna flip it in the stock market to 100,000 and then I'm gonna go to, you know how many times she's heard that BS? No, you're not. You're not gonna do that. It's borderline impossible to trade your way up there. And the people that have, it's literally been a gamble and a lottery ticket win, and most of them are down in the market right now. Meaning, she doesn't want to hear about your loser escapades. She wants real dreams and aspirations where you're actually working towards and building skill sets and not gambling.